Imagine writing 10 lines of code just to sort a list, a whole anonymous class for one comparison. That was everyday Java before Java 8. Filtering a list, write a loop, transforming it, another loop. Real applications were drowning in long, repetitive, boilerplate code. Meanwhile, hardware had moved on. CPUs now had many cores, but typical Java code used just one, all that power sitting idle. So Java 8 arrived with a clear mission: cut the boilerplate, bring in functional programming, make parallel processing easy, and modernize the core APIs. Feature 1: Lambda expressions. That entire anonymous comparator collapses into a single line. Take two values, return the comparison. 10 lines become one. Feature 2: the Stream API. You describe what you want as a pipeline. Filter, then map, then collect, almost like SQL for your collections instead of manual loops. Feature 3: parallel streams. Swap stream for parallel stream, and Java splits the work across every CPU core at once. One worker becomes eight. Feature 4: functional interfaces. An interface with a single abstract method, predicate, function, consumer, supplier. These are exactly what lambdas plug into. Feature 5: optional. Instead of risking a null pointer exception, optional wraps a value that might be absent, a shield against Java's most common bug. Feature 6: a brand new date and time API. The old error-prone date and calendar classes are replaced by clean, clear types: local date, local time, and local date time. Put it together. The Java 7 developer wrote more code, more loops, single-threaded. The Java 8 developer writes lambdas, streams, optional, and runs in parallel. The style completely changed. Interview question 1: why is Java 8 considered a turning point? Because it brought functional programming to Java, lambdas, and streams, slashing boilerplate, enabling easy parallelism, and modernizing the APIs. Question 2: what problem do lambdas solve? They replace verbose anonymous classes, letting you pass behavior as data in a single readable line. Question 3: how does a stream differ from a loop? A loop says how to do it step by step. A stream declares what you want: filter, map, collect, and it can run in parallel for free. Question 4: how does Java 8 use multi-core CPUs? Parallel stream splits the work across cores using the fork join pool, so processing scales without you managing threads. That's why Java 8 wasn't just another release, it changed how we write Java. Next episode, we go deep on Lambda expressions and the magic behind this tiny arrow. Now it's your turn. Take the topic test and lock it in: 10 multiple choice and 10 short answer questions graded by AI. The link is in the description below. And here's something special: top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me plus a personal one on one connect.